If you are looking for a productivity-centric laptop that is portable, then say hello to the Lenovo Ideapad 330. The onyx black lid has a simplistic design with the Lenovo logo in the top left corner. Lift the lid and you are greeted with a 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit anti-glare TN display. The Lenovo Ideapad 330 weighs 2.2 kilos and the accompanying power brick is small and compact, making it the ideal traveler's companion. The 15-inch form factor makes the laptop easy and lightweight to carry in backpacks or a sling bag. The Lenovo Ideapad 330 has a chiclet-style keyboard. The layout of the keyboard is for those that will spend a lot of time typing. The keyboard also has a dedicated number pad. The keyboard and trackpad are surrounded with a textured onyx black finish. Below the keyboard, we have the trackpad. You do not have a physical left and right click, as they are integrated into the trackpad to give it a seamless look. Moving to the connectivity options, on the left the laptop has the power socket, Ethernet port, HDMI out, 2 USB 3 ports, a headphones combo jack, one USB 3.0 Type-C port and an SD card reader. On the right, the device has the Kensington lock. Speaking of audio, the speakers are integrated on the front edge of the laptop. You have two speakers for a stereo audio experience. At the bottom, the laptop has 4 rubber feet, which gives the machine grip when kept on a table. This ensures that the laptop remains firmly stable during those long typing sessions. The laptop also sports a 0.3 MP webcam and Bluetooth connectivity options along with Wi-Fi. The 2-cell battery is non-removable and Lenovo claims that the battery can last up to 5 hours. That is enough juice to get work done or enjoy a couple of movies. When it comes to the specifications, the laptop has a Ryzen 5 quad-core CPU coupled with 4GB of RAM and a 1TB hard drive. The RAM on the laptop is expandable up to 8GB. The 1TB hard drive ensures that you have enough space to store your entire movies and music library along with productivity files. The resolution of the 15.6-inch display is 1920 by 1080, which is enough to work on spreadsheets and watch videos. Thanks to the Full HD resolution, you can now enjoy movies in the resolution you would on your TV at home. The display of the laptop can tilt a full 180 degrees, giving you the freedom of tilting the laptop to your desired angle. The specifications of the laptop ensure ease of multitasking, the ability to have numerous tabs open on a browser. Considering the specifications of the laptop, you can use it for day-to-day productivity. You can get some productivity apps functioning on the device like Photoshop, along with some basic gaming thanks to the AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics card. The graphics card will let you play casual games and run some basic photo editing apps. This was a quick overview of all the features on offer on the Lenovo Ideapad 330 laptop.